in peace, Rodger. Kenneth, how dare you eat that poor little bird? No, how could you? I'm gonna start crying. No, I'm gonna start crying. Wait, hold on. Kenneth, you ate a poor little chicken bird. You guys know me, I would never touch chicken in my life. I hate chicken down to the core. If I see a full bucket of KFC chicken over there, but I see toenails over there,
I'm picking the toenails, bro.
honestly, I have no idea why people eat chicken. And you, Kenneth,
Hey, Rodger,
the poor little bird, how dare you? How dare you?
you evil monster.
You damn monster!